Welcome to Breaking Wire. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Why are there not more people talking about the B-52's incredible transformation? There's breaking news in the world of aviation. Rolls-Royce is stepping in to give the legendary B-52 Stratofortress a complete engine overhaul, marking a new era for this iconic aircraft. The B-52, a symbol of American air power since the 1950s, is about to get a major upgrade. With the installation of brand new Rolls-Royce F-130 engines, this aircraft will be able to keep flying for decades to come, extending its already impressive service record. But this isn't just routine maintenance, it's a full-scale modernization effort. The goal is to ensure the B-52 remains a vital part of the U.S. Air Force, potentially serving for nearly a century, an almost unheard-of lifespan for a military aircraft. The airframe's legendary durability is so remarkable that, instead of designing a new bomber, billions of dollars are being invested to upgrade and enhance the existing fleet. This decision highlights just how valuable and reliable the B-52's design truly is. Over 600 state-of-the-art engines will be built and installed, each one connecting the B-52's storied past with the latest in aerospace technology. This massive project will breathe new life into the fleet. For Americans, this upgrade means a stronger, more efficient, and more reliable national defense asset. The B-52 will be able to fly farther, use less fuel, and operate with greater reliability than ever before. The B-52's re-engining is a strategic move, blending classic engineering with modern power and ensuring this American icon remains relevant on the world stage. It's a testament to American ingenuity, innovation, and the enduring value of a true icon that continues to shape the future of aviation. The B-52, affectionately known as the Buff, has been a mainstay of the U.S. Air Force since 1955, making it one of the longest-serving military aircraft in history. Some of these bombers have been in service for over 60 years, outlasting generations of pilots and ground crews. These legendary aircraft have participated in every major conflict since the Cold War, from Vietnam to the Middle East, but their engines are essentially relics from the 1950s. The aging Pratt & Whitney TF-33 engines are not only inefficient and maintenance-heavy, but they're also becoming increasingly difficult to support as parts grow scarce and expertise fades. Imagine trying to use a classic car as your daily driver. Sure, it's cool and nostalgic, but it's also expensive, unreliable, and not up to modern standards. Today's missions demand aircraft that are efficient, reliable, and always ready to go. But the old engines just can't keep up with the pace or the requirements of modern warfare. Upgrading to new, modern engines means less downtime for repairs, greater range and fuel efficiency, and a more credible deterrent that can respond quickly to threats for decades to come. The B-52's airframe remains remarkably robust and capable. It's the engines that are holding it back from reaching its full potential in the 21st century. This upgrade isn't just about patching up an old plane, it's about revitalizing a proven platform and giving it a new lease on life for future generations. With state-of-the-art engines, the B-52 will continue to serve as a versatile, powerful, and reliable platform, remaining a cornerstone of U.S. air power well into the 2050s and beyond. Enter the Rolls-Royce F-130. A proven, efficient engine based on the commercial BR-725. This engine family powers business jets like the Gulfstream G650, so reliability is a given. Each B-52H will get 8 new F-130s, built in a state-of-the-art Indianapolis facility. The F-130 matches the old engine's thrust, simplifying integration and pilot retraining. But it's a modern, high-bypass turbofan, far more efficient and reliable. The B-52 will even get a new designation, B-52J. This upgrade is a leap from brute force to smart, sustainable power. The F-130 is the perfect fit to propel the B-52 into its next era. The F-130 brings game-changing benefits, starting with up to 30% better fuel efficiency. That means longer range, more time on station, and huge cost savings. Maintenance is slashed. These engines are built for thousands of hours between overhauls. More reliability means more bombers ready for missions, less time in the hangar. Digital controls and health monitoring allow for predictive maintenance, fixing issues before they ground a plane. The result, safer flights, less stress for crews, and a more dependable fleet. All these upgrades extend the B-52's service life to at least 2050. It's a smart investment, better performance, lower costs, and a future-proof bomber. the B-52 remains a critical, affordable asset for generations. Before the F-130s ever take to the skies, they must first endure a relentless gauntlet of testing, pushed to their absolute limits in ways few machines ever experience. Each stage is designed to prove the engine's strength, reliability, and performance at every possible step, leaving nothing to chance. In late 2024, the F-130 engine successfully passed its critical design review, a major milestone that cleared the way for full-scale production and marked a huge achievement for the engineering team. Rigorous testing kicked off at NASA's Stennis Space Center, where engines are put through their paces in some of the most advanced facilities in the world. The process then moved to twin-pod trials, which closely mimicked the real-world setup found on the legendary B-52 bombers, ensuring the engines perform flawlessly in their intended environment. Next, high-altitude tests at the Arnold Engineering Development Complex simulate the extreme conditions of flying at 50,000 feet, pushing the engines even further. At every phase, teams of experts analyze data, troubleshoot issues, and refine the design, ensuring that any potential problems are found and fixed long before the engines ever leave the ground. This methodical, step-by-step approach is what guarantees the safety, reliability, and peak performance demanded by the U.S. Air Force. By the time the first B-52J is ready for its maiden flight with the new engines, the F-130 will have been battle-tested, refined, and proven, ready to meet any challenge. It's a long, demanding road from the first blueprint to the moment an engine hits the runway. But that's exactly what makes U.S. military hardware the most respected and reliable in the world. Only the toughest, most thoroughly tested engines ever make it to the sky, ready to power the future of American air power. Modernizing the B-52 is a massive team effort. Rolls-Royce, Boeing, and the U.S. Air Force working side by side. Rolls-Royce builds the engines, Boeing integrates them, and the Air Force sets the mission. This partnership is more than business. It's daily collaboration, problem-solving, and shared commitment. Thousands of jobs and suppliers across the country are involved, from manufacturing to testing. The project unites the best in American engineering and management. The goal: keep the B-52 flying ready and relevant for decades. With new engines and teamwork, the B-52 is on track to become a 100-year aircraft. It's proof that with vision and collaboration, even a 60-year-old legend can soar into the future.